Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make chicken fried steak in your air fryer. I'm using the Ninja Foodi XL grill, but this can be done in any air fryer. Coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay, team, what are we doing here today? We're gonna make a beautiful, lovely, other adjectives for good, a chicken fried steak, okay? We're gonna do it in our Ninja Foodi XL grill, but I'm doing this recipe for all air fryers, okay? We're gonna use this stuff. It's stuff I got at the market, Coat and Crunch. You know, you always want some crunch in your life, all right? So we're gonna use that today. You can use shake and bake, you can use your Italian breadcrumbs, whatever works, okay? Traditionally, most chicken fried steak has more of a kind of wet batter coating to it. Fortunately, that does not work in an air fryer because you're using circulated heat. So you need to use like a breadcrumby type of coating for it, okay? So that's where this comes in. I'm gonna season it with some Uncle Steve shake. He has a new beef and steak rub that he's sent out to me to try. It's called Lucky Cow. Guys, it's amazing. I'll put a link down for UncleSteveShake.com. Check it out. Along with the chicken fried steak, I'm gonna show you how I make a nice, easy, simple sausage gravy. Okay, we're gonna do that on the stove using my Ninja Never Stick pan. Guys, this is kind of a two-parter video also. I am doing this as a stepping stone for a brunch sandwich that I'm making for the next video that comes out. Once that video is made, the link will be right there for you. A few days back, I was over at my buddy AB's house from Smoking and Grilling with AB. I'll put a link for his channel right here. He made a brunch burger. I was spy on it. I had to do it too. So make sure you go and check out his stuff. All right. AB's doing some awesome things over there and he's killing it. All right. Good friend. Love hanging out with them, and we got to cook in the kitchen together, so it's a good one. All right, so I have just some top round steak, really thin, okay? I'm not gonna tenderize it or anything like that. I'm gonna cut them in half and then we'll bread them up, but I'm not gonna pound them out, not tenderize them. They're really thin. They're gonna cook up in no time. In fact, I'm not even worried about the steak temperature in there. I'm gonna cook it till it gets golden brown on the outside and the steak will be done, okay? That's that thin. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come to the Ninja Foodi grill station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. We're gonna set up the steaks with the seasoning on them and get them resting on a wire rack pan, just to kind of let everything absorb and, you know, kind of stick, you know, the oil on there will moisturize the coat and crunch. All right, and then once we get that done and they're just chilling over here, we'll go back to the stove and start working on that gravy. Stick with me, ingredients will all be down below. We're working hard in the kitchen. Take a deep breath with me. Hit that like button, all right? All right, we're going come on down to the Ninja Foodi grill station, all right? Let's go. Okay, team, let's set up these steaks. So like I said, these are like thin. Like real thin. So like this one I'm not gonna cut in half. I'm just gonna leave it full. These two right here, these little guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut them right in half. Cut that off. All right, we got 5 steaks. Put this to the side. 5 steaks, good to go. We have our little breading here, our Coat and Crunch. It's got a little bit of seasoning to it, but we're gonna add a little Lucky Cow. It's got big, thick grains of pepper in there. Be good eating. Mix that up a little bit. All right, we're gonna spray it down with a little avocado oil. Like I said, a wet batter won't really work with these. Just want to get them coated in oil. Okay. All right. Push it down. Make sure there's plenty of seasoning on it. All right. Shake it off. Get it on the rack to chill out for a bit. Okay. Same thing. Rinse and repeat. Really get it packed on there. We want some crunchy chicken fried steak. And when I put these in the air fryer, I'm gonna give it another spray of the avocado oil just to make sure we get that golden brown deliciousness. Okay, these are all done. We're chilling them out. Give it a little bit more of Uncle Steve's shake on there. A little bit. Right, we want max flavor. It's gonna be good to go. All right, we're gonna let these sit and then we'll, let's get on the stove. Now that we have the steaks breaded and ready to go, they're chilling, we're gonna go over to the stove and start working on that gravy. All right, let's get on the stove. All right, we're gonna put a little touch of olive oil in there. not a lot. The sausage is gonna have its own oils in there. We're going with the Ninja Foodi Never Stick Wok. Third of a cup of red onions in there. We'll let these heat through, get a little translucent. We're not trying to caramelize them. We're not trying to add a bunch of extra color to our gravy. So just get them translucent, and then we're gonna saute them more with the sausage, okay? Okay, we've let it go a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and get the sausage in there. A little mix and chop in there. I'm looking to knock down the chunks of sausage to pretty small. I want sausage in every bite of the gravy. And I know it's not beef, but you know, I'm gonna throw a little Lucky Cow in there too. Keep all the flavors consistent throughout, right? Consistency is key. And perfection is unattainable. Daily Thoughts by, not Jack Handy, but CJ. Alright, we're ready to go with the sausage. It's all good. Got about 1/3 of a cup of flour in here. May not use it all, but that in there. Mix it up. We want to absorb the oil. And I'm going to cook the flour through for about a minute or so. This is about as simple of a gravy as you can get, but one of the tastiest. All right, you can see there's still a little bit of grease in there, so we're gonna add the rest of this flour in there. No one likes a greasy, no one likes a greasy gravy. Oh, it killed me. Like I said, about a minute, just cooking that flour flavor out. Got about 2 cups of whole milk right here. Going in. A little whisk. Actually, you're probably gonna add a little bit more milk to that. So in the ingredients below, I'll have the exact amount I put in there. Got a little bit more milk in there. We got it on medium-high heat. I don't know about y'all, but I like a little flavor in there. So we're gonna put a couple dashes of hot sauce. Be our little secret, don't tell anybody. Okay. Gonna add a little cracked black pepper in there. And when I say a little, I mean a lot. All done with that. Let's get it all mixed. All right, we got the heat on. It's gonna thicken this up. We're gonna continue to stir. I like a thick gravy, so I'm gonna let it go and like get thick. That boy thick. Okay. We'll stir periodically, but let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station and set up that Ninja Foodi Grill. Team, we're on the Ninja Foodi Grill Station. Let's turn it on. We are air crisping. 390 is fine, 20 minutes is fine, you don't have to mess with it. We're gonna pull it out when I feel it's ready. Hit start, let it preheat. Our steaks here, just chilling, good to go. We got the air fryer basket in there. Don't need much more than that. Okay, the gravy's coming together. You can see it's thickening up, looking good. Okay, we're gonna let it go just a little bit longer, get a little bit thicker, but we got a nice luscious gravy right there. All right, team, let's get those steaks in here. These are gonna shrink up a little bit in there, of course, so I don't care if they're really overlapping or not. Right, give it one last little spray down, just for the extra crispy. Okay, we're gonna shut it down. Okay, 5 minutes in, looking pretty good. I'm gonna give them a flip, give it a couple minutes to crisp up the other side, and like I said, we'll be done pretty quickly. All right, y'all, a couple minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and get these out, get them on a plate. These are smelling good. You know they're gonna be tasting good. Little crunchy bits falling off, that's okay. That's why we pack a lot on, because you know there's gonna be leftovers in the air fryer. All right, I'm gonna plate these up and we'll give them a taste test. All right, team, we're done. Took the pictures, did the slow-mo, all the other good YouTube tricks. About ready to take a bite. Don't forget to make sure you hit the next video in the series here with that breakfast sandwich. Spoiler alert, there is going to be chicken fried steak and gravy on it. All right, guys, got my bite right here, got all the gravy on the top. Well, you know it's good. I mean, what's not to love? That crunchy chicken fried steak, done perfectly tender. All right, we didn't need to beat the hell out of it to make it tender. We just cooked it right, okay? Took about 7 minutes, give or take a second here and there. Listen, that gravy is the money. You could put it on chicken fried steak and put it on your mashed potatoes. I should throw some eggs on this. You can put it on your flip flop and it'll taste good. I would put it on this cutting board right here. Eat the cutting board with this gravy on top of it. It is that good. You need to make it. All right, guys. If you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi grills or any Ninja product, make sure you hit that link below. It's my affiliate link. I'm part of Team Ninja. Check it out. All right. Hats, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff, all down below. The ingredients for this cook is down below also. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, make sure you hit that join button right next to that subscribe button that you should have already hit. Helps out the channel, become a show producer, get your name at the end of the credits, a couple other inside stuff. Dang good things go on, and it helps your boy out. All right, that's it for this week, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.